Welcome to the 2019 Automation Fair event in Chicago. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. This is where the best companies in industrial automation are showing off their solutions. And one of those companies is IMPERX. I'm talking with Dave Sexton. So, Dave, tell me what your company does.
Yeah, so IMPERX is a manufacturer of machine vision cameras and Ethernet IP video recorders.
Which is really important for track and trace and quality control.
That's right, minimizing downtime, improving quality.
And what are you highlighting today? What are your attendees at the booth look excited about?
Yeah, yesterday we introduced our capability to work with the Compact Logix 5480, where we can connect the camera directly to the PLC. And that's a big productivity improvement and increases the value of purchasing a Rockwell PLC.
And what kind of applications or industries are ideal for using this type of solution?
Really, just about any industry can benefit from it. What we're showing today is a track and trace capability with code reading.
What kind of applications is it for? Pharmaceutical, food tracking, and just about anything that you need to track for possible recall or safety?
Absolutely. So whether it's automotive or food and beverage or pharma, they're all doing track and trace these days.
Yeah, and that's so important, especially these days and with smart manufacturing. So there's a lot more to learn about this and how these technologies and others from this company can help you. So go to the URL that you see at the bottom of your screen and see how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2019 Automation Fair. I'll see you next time.